Power. This is a very short lecture on power. Power is how quickly work, energy is done by some element. So the classical definition of power is how much work is done per unit time interval. But in differential form, we write that the power is dW dt using the chain rule. We can rewrite this as dW dt will then be dq dq. And then by definition, this is the voltage as a function of time, the current as a function of time, and therefore this is the power as a function of time. To derive the energy slash work, and again, we define this as W, one rearranges the power function up above here. And so we could then say that the power, which is the work energy as a function of time, times the voltage times the current, then I can rewrite this as energy slash work. We define this as W, and then I integrate the voltage and current to get this. Although energy is more fundamental than power, power is the standard in circuits. And then, of course, the question is, why? One can easily measure power whereas energy is quite difficult. You know what? I think I threw an extra I in here. So, and one example that I can give here is a current running through a resistor and get quite hot. To isolate and capture this heat is very challenging. Two, power is much easier to mathematically calculate. With this being voltage times the current. In most situations, no integration is required, whereas with energy, one must integrate.